In space, our solar system has long been isolated in a vast, infinite ocean. For billions of years it has been spinning silently in the void, shadowed in the distance and separated from the mysteries of the galaxy. But in 2017, this isolation was suddenly shattered by the arrival of a mysterious, an interstellar visitor from deep space. This object, called Oumuamua, has amazed scientists and astronomers with its extremely fast motion that is not found in our solar system, unlike asteroids or comets. But the more we learn about Oumuamua, the more questions we have. Its origin, behavior and appearance are not explained. Could this object be a natural form of a distant star system, or is it more telling, could it be a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence? In October 2017, astronomers made a surprising discovery that sparked years of speculation in scientific research. The Pan-STARRS-1 telescope in Hawaii, which constantly scans the sky for potential threats to Earth, spotted an object moving through space at an unusual speed. It was quickly realized that it was the first such thing to happen in our solar system, something that had never been seen before. Called Oumuamua, which means messenger or messenger in Hawaiian, the object immediately attracted attention because it was long and cigar-shaped, unlike any asteroid seen before. What ensued was a frenzy of research, observation and debate as scientists raced to unravel the mysteries of this alien visitor. But as the treasure moves from Earth, new mysteries emerge. Why is it leaving the solar system so quickly? And why are there no signs of gas emission in comets? These questions have led to some of the deepest debates in modern astronomy, leading some to speculate that Oumuamua may not be natural, but it's even more amazing. On October 19, 2017, astronomers using the Pan-STARRS-1 telescope in Hawaii noticed something strange. Designed to detect potentially dangerous near-Earth objects, the telescope captured an image of a fast-moving object unlike anything seen before. At first it looked like another asteroid or comet, one of many that pass through our solar system. But when astronomers analyzed the orbit, they noticed something surprising: it wasn't that far away. The trajectory indicated that it originated in interstellar space, beyond the boundaries of the solar system. This is the first time in history that an interstellar object has been found passing through our universe. Scientists named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning message or messenger, an apt name for something that traveled so far to reach us. As more data comes in, the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua deepen. Unlike the asteroids and comets that make up our solar system, Oumuamua is long and narrow, shaped like a cigarette or a needle. It is 800 meters long, but only 80 meters wide, a ratio that has surprised scientists. Local things don't usually create long-term trends. Again, the shape of a comet or an asteroid is not the same. A tail of gas and dust, like comets approaching the sun, was not observed. However, as the day wore on, Oumuamua began to accelerate, something that would have been impossible without a push. As scientists around the world try to study the ancient one before it disappears from view, they find a laundry list of clues. The strangeness of it is only the beginning. Its acceleration, as it moves away from the sun, becomes even more mysterious. Comets slow down as they approach the sun and shed ice, releasing gas that acts as a natural rocket engine. But Oumuamua showed no signs of gas release. No tail, no visible jet, no explanation as to why it was moving so fast. This strange phenomenon has led some to speculate that Oumuamua may just be a rock from another star system. Or is it a fragment of a larger body torn apart by cosmic forces from another solar system? Or, as some have thought, is it just an invention, research, or a spaceship sent by an alien race? The fact that Oumuamua is an alien artifact is not just science fiction. Avi Loeb, the famous astrophysicist, a professor at Harvard University, argued that the unusual properties of the object could explain the idea that it is a type of advanced technology, perhaps an optical sun, a thin, material reflection made possible by radiation pressure. To become a star, although this idea was met with great skepticism in the scientific community, it was not completely rejected. Also, We have never seen anything like Oumuamua before. Could we see our first encounter with a terrestrial treasure? As Oumuamua continues to travel beyond the solar system, scientists have little time to observe it before it disappears from view. Despite its short availability, the data collected from observers around the world provided valuable insights, but raised more questions than answers. This is where NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, comes in. Launched in December 2021, JWST is the most advanced space telescope ever built, capable of taking highly detailed images of distant objects in space. One of the main advantages of JWST is its ability to observe in the infrared spectrum, which allows it to see objects that are faint or distant from other telescopes. Although Oumuamua is beyond the reach of most Earth observers, JWST has been able to collect data on the object and give scientists new clues about its structure and behavior. What JWST revealed was surprising and confusing. By analyzing the light reflected from Oumuamua, scientists were able to determine its chemical composition, which is unlike anything found in our solar system. It appears to be made of highly reflective material, which explains its unusual speed as it leaves the sun. Are these objects remnants of an ancient object from another star system? Or something even more amazing, maybe a fragment of an alien? With the release of data from JWST and other observatories, the debate over the shape of Oumuamua has intensified. Most scientists agreed that it was probably natural, or a fragment of a larger object that was ejected from its parent star system millions or billions of years ago. But there were those who believed that its features and characteristics were so strange that they could not be explained by natural processes alone. Avi Loeb has always supported the idea that Oumuamua can be artificial. In his book Extraterrestrial, The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth, Loeb argued that the scientific community must be open to the fact that we are not alone in the universe. He pointed out that Oumuamua's rapid departure from the solar system cannot be easily explained by any known environmental mechanism. But, he said, it may be a sign of advanced technology, such as the moon phase. The idea of extraterrestrial technology reaching the solar system captured the public imagination, but was also criticized by many in the scientific community. Critics argue that there are more natural explanations for Oumuamua's behavior. Some believe that it was a fragment of a larger object that had been ejected from its parent star system by a violent impact, such as a close encounter with a star or supermassive black hole. Others suggest that Oumuamua's acceleration can be explained by the release of hydrogen ice. According to this theory, the object may have been made of hydrogen ice, which condensed as it approached the sun, creating a gas that could propel it forward without a visible tail. Although this explanation fits well with known physics, it still doesn't fully explain the unusual nature of Oumuamua and other phenomena. The discovery of Oumuamua opened a new frontier in astronomy, the study of interstellar matter. For centuries, scientists have thought that our solar system is not isolated, and that objects from other star systems can travel through it from time to time. But until Oumuamua, that thing has not been found. In 2019, another interstellar object was discovered. This one, called 2I/Borisov, is a comet from another star system. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov looks like a typical comet with a visible tail and a predictable path. The discovery confirmed that Oumuamua is not a one-off event. There may be many more interstellar objects traveling through our solar system, with the right tools to find them. Success of Pan-STARRS and JWST, astronomers are now searching for other interstellar visitors. Advanced telescopes, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, are scheduled to begin operation in the coming years. Now, these can be identified objects. Scientists will have more time to study them and uncover their secrets. Or other interstellar matter. Will the mysteries of these distant visitors remain, leaving us to wonder what else lurks in space? One of the most exciting aspects of the ancient mysteries is the connection to extraterrestrial life. Although most scientists are skeptical of the idea that Oumuamua is an alien probe or spacecraft, the discovery has fueled the debate about intelligent life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life has been a driving force in astronomy for decades. From the search for microbial life on Mars to the study of exoplanets in the habitable zone of their stars, scientists have long been fascinated by the idea that life might exist elsewhere in the universe. The discovery of Oumuamua added a new dimension to this search. If intelligent civilizations exist, could they be sending out probes or spacecraft to explore the galaxy, just as we are doing with missions like Voyager and New Horizons? While there is no direct evidence that Oumuamua is connected to alien life, its discovery has inspired new efforts to search for signs of extraterrestrial technology, a field known as technosignatures. Researchers are now using radio telescopes to listen for potential signals from distant star systems, and new missions are being proposed to search for artificial objects in space. The discovery of Oumuamua was a landmark in astronomy that opened new avenues of research and sparked debates that continue to this day. While we may not know for sure whether Oumuamua is a natural or extraterrestrial object, its brief visit to our solar system will continue to shape our understanding of the universe and our place in it. As technology advances and new telescopes become available online, we may discover more interstellar objects, each with its own set of secrets. And who knows, maybe one day we will find a real proof that we are not alone in the world. Meanwhile, Oumuamua is a reminder of a worldwide, unknown beyond our solar system, a global message that has left more questions than answers. What else is out there waiting to be discovered? The answers may lie in the stars and other unusual objects that occasionally wander into our little corner of the galaxy.